The next technique that we're going to go over is going to teach you how to use a foam roller for your quadriceps muscles. Before we get started, let me be honest with you. A lot of you are going to need this technique. Remember how I said you didn't need that hamstring technique? Well, that's because the quad is the other side of the knee joint, and this is usually the side that needs all the tender, loving care from a massage therapist or even yourself. So it's very important we take care of it because, if one side of a joint gets messed up, it can affect both sides of the joint. It's like a seesaw. If you put too much weight on one side of the seesaw and not enough on the other side, it's not going to function. That's a lever. Muscles are levers. It all works the same. So let's keep healthy function of those muscles and let's learn how to roll the quad. So we're going to take a nice soft foam roller. We're going to place it down and then we're going to get that front of the thigh right down onto it, as you see, just like this. Make sure that your elbows stay underneath your shoulders and you're going to roll back and forth just like this, right? You can divide it up into sections as you roll out the quad because, you're going to find areas that need focus, and that's why dividing into sections is fine. Back and forth, you walk, you crawl, you have one leg in contact with the ground, and that helps. But if you want to do a double quad roll, all you would do is have both legs on the roller. However, I'm showing a single quad roll. I'll put up on the screen what a single and a double quad roll both look like from an overhead perspective, because that'll give you a good idea. Then when you're done, you come up off it, you switch to the other side, but this is going to be one of those videos that I'm going to tell you to rewind it if you want instruction on the other side. And that is how you roll out your quadriceps muscle.